Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. You guys, I'm so excited for today's video. Today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the Ariana Grande Cloud Perfume. The reason why I am doing this unboxing today is because Ariana Grande and Ulta partnered up again, and they are going to be releasing the God is a Woman perfume, and everyone is just going crazy for it. I've already ordered mine online and it's already being shipped to me, but if in-stores does end up getting it like earlier and such, then I'm gonna go buy that, and yeah, so I can get my review up for you guys on that one. But without further ado, let's jump in right into this review. Alright guys, so Ariana Grande has a total of 9 fragrances out right now. God is a Woman is going to be her 10th fragrance. So the first one that came out was Ari, which released in 2015. Then we had Frankie that released in 2016. Then we had Moonlight in 2017. Or sorry, Sweet Like Candy in 2016. Then Moonlight in 2017. We had the Sweet Like Candy limited edition that released in 2017. Let's see what else. Then we had Cloud that released in 2018. Thank You Next in 2019, and then the Thank You Next 2.0 in 2021, and then God is a Woman, which is going to be releasing this weekend. But today we're going to be reviewing the Ariana Grande Cloud 2018 perfume. So to start off with the box, you guys, I am just obsessed with all of this, like the holographic, the cloud. The cloud feels really nice. It's like matte. And then on the back we have the beautiful Miss Ariana Grande on the back. Love it. It's a pretty big box. So I got the biggest size that they had possible. So this is the 3.4 fluid ounce, 100 milliliter. So yeah, let's just get into this unboxing. So, oh my gosh, love this. Fun. Alright you guys, just looking into the box, I'm already impressed and I'm very excited right now. Yeah. This is so springy, so whimsical. I absolutely love it. I love how this has like a little cloud like holder for the actual fragrance itself. So fun. We have the little cloud lid as well, and then we have like this light blue type of glass bottle. Absolutely love this. This is so much fun, you guys. I wonder if the notes are on the box. Okay, so I'm not seeing any notes on the box, so we're just gonna have to go look it up right now. Okay, so I found the notes online. So it says top notes are lavender, pear, and bergamot. The middle notes are whipped cream, praline, coconut, and vanilla orchid. And then the base notes are musk and woody notes. So let's just give this little guy a try. Ooh, that is good. That is really, really good, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely getting like that woody note in there. I'm getting like vanilla and wood. Like, I'm getting the vanilla and woody note right off the bat, but it does smell similar to these other two. So I went ahead and pulled out the Rem perfume and then the Thank You Next perfume as well to do a little comparison. I've decided that I want to collect all of them and keep them for collectibles in case these just never decide to come back. I want to have the whole collection. So I am on the hunt for all the Ariana Grande fragrances right now. Right off the bat, to me, I feel like it smells like Rem and Thank You Next combined. So I'm just gonna try this out. Oh no. Rem is way different. Never mind, ignore that. Oh my gosh. But Rem does smell really, really good, you guys. Highly recommend. Okay, and then let's try the Thank You Next one. They're way different, you guys. No, yeah, you guys, all these fragrances are completely different. I remember when Thank You Next came out, everyone was trying to compare it to Cloud. I obviously couldn't because I didn't know what this guy smelled like. But honestly, you guys, they are all different fragrances. Oh my gosh, how fun, how fun. You guys, I really love this fragrance. Smells so freaking good. What I like doing with these fragrances, like especially like at nighttime, I like to just spray them all over like my sheets, headboard, pillows, everything, and it just makes everything so nice, so warm and inviting. Absolutely love it. You guys, I give this fragrance like a 10 out of 10. Obviously, like I don't know how long it lasts while on. I'll have to test that out, but right off the bat, highly recommend, you guys. I'm so excited to review the God is a Woman perfume. I'm gonna be reviewing that this upcoming week, so make sure you guys stick around for that, because already like the bottle itself, I'm just like very intrigued with. It just looks so good and I can't wait. Alright you guys, so that is gonna be everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if there's any like other fragrance reviews you guys want me to do, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, so again guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving.